I am placing my crescent roll triangles right here into my muffin tin. Now I have some cream cheese. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am a super big fan of cream cheese, and I'm also a super big fan of this easy appetizer. It is definitely one of my favorites. A little cream cheese and a little crescent dough action so far here. Those look great. Now I have some bacon because everything is better with bacon, and I will sprinkle a little bit of bacon, bringing some salty flavor right into this cream cheese. These are going to be divine. And you know what? I want to know, what kind of cream cheese? What's your favorite kind of cream cheese? And would you perhaps choose a different flavor? I decided to go with original because I wanted to put all my own flavors into the cream cheese. But you know what? There are new rules. You can do whatever you like, and it's just fine. That's the beauty of it. All right, I think I'm good with the bacon. We'll set that aside, and we'll bring in some green onions. Ooh, green onions are so yummy. I'm gonna use my kitchen shears here, and I'm just gonna cut off some of these green onions right here. You know what, you guys? This has been by far one of my easiest and best ways to cut these green onions. Sometimes when I use a knife, I feel like it doesn't cut all the way through unless the knife is ultra sharp. So these kitchen shears just really, really easily get the job done. How many of you guys out there use your kitchen shears a lot? What a great tool. Thankful for whoever invented these things. All right, moving right along here, just cutting up these green onions. This is coming along super quickly. I love this. Ooh, it's smelling so good. The green onions mixed with the bacon is just delicious. Now let's quickly go through and tuck in all of that crescent dough. You see what I'm doing right there? I'm just kind of making this little ball with the crescent dough and tucking that all in so it's all kind of nice and sturdy right here into the muffin tin. It's almost like every little crescent roll, like cream cheese ball here we're making, has its own little home, right? Isn't that cute? Look at how thoughtful we are. Everyone has their own little home. So we'll just go through, you guys. You want to tuck all of those in. It's okay if some things come out because, like I said, they're each in their own little slot. So it won't get too messy. Everything's going to cook together so great. Oh, I already know it. Just tucking in our last little ball of joy here. That's what I'm gonna call it, a delicious ball of joy. And you know what? I'm okay with if some of the green onions or some of the bacon pops out. I really think that actually makes it look super pretty. Okay, we wanna grab an egg. We'll just quickly crack that in there. Look at that, I've been getting pretty good at that these days. And I am just going to sprinkle a little bit of water in there. Bam, there we go. Let's mix that up really quickly here, just getting that egg all mixed up. This looks good. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. And all you're gonna do now is you're just gonna take your little egg wash mixture and you're gonna brush it right over the top of that dough, you guys. This is just going to make the outside of it look nice and shiny. It's just gonna, what do you call it? Geez, I'm tongue twisted now. It's just gonna lock in all that flavor. That's what I mean. I don't know what I was thinking with an S. I don't know. Maybe it'll come back to me, right? Sometimes when you're thinking about something so hard, you forget. You have to actually just stop thinking at all, and then it comes back to you. Am I right or am I right? Kind of like, if it's lost, don't look for it because you're not gonna be able to find it. Come back to me for more life lessons, right guys? Okay, we are brushing these right away and they are moving so fast. Ooh, I really like that one right there. Maybe I'm gonna eat that one. These look divine. Okay, you guys, we need some everything bagel seasoning. Yes, we do. We're gonna sprinkle that right on top. Look at how fabulous that looks. And not only that, it has a little bit of garlic in there, some poppy seed, some onion. Ooh, this is so good. And the flavor with the cream cheese, the bacon, and those green onions, let's get a little bit more there, is going to be delicious. Let's pop these in the oven at 350. We're gonna cook them for 12 minutes and they are going to be some of the best finger foods and easy apps that you've seen. And if you've tried already, I wanna know about it. If not, you need to put this on your shopping list. Let's pop these in the oven and stick around and see how they turn out. Wow, you guys, look at these. Oh, they look so amazing. They smell so good. I am so glad that I let them cool down because I can't wait to sink my teeth into these. Look at how golden brown. Look at that. It just made a little dough pocket right there. Before I even bite in, I'm just gonna open it up here. Let's see. Look at that cream cheese, you guys, and that bacon inside. Wow, these look phenomenal. These are the best, super enjoyable, easy appetizer. I love the smokiness and the crispiness of the bacon, the cream cheese, the green onion, that everything Babel seasoning, the egg wash make it look superb on top, you guys. These are home run. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited and these taste so good. I can't even speak. What can I say? All right, you guys. I hope you enjoy these. We'll see you later.